Babe, get some napkins. Ayan o, may palibreng pa donut sa simbahan. Wow, say thank you.
Thank you, guys.
I would like these. I would like this one, please.
This one?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, this is still here. That will cost you 5 cents.
Thank you so much. You want water? Will you please hold my donut? I'll get you some drink.
This will have a bit inside.
Okay, they have some water. Can I get some drink? This. Okay, Dada, will you please carry this for Christiana? I got this for you, honey. Thank you very much. Come on, let's go in the car. Let's go in the car, CJ. Kinain na ni Don Julio, hala. Let's go in the car, babe. Yeah, we'll do that in the car. Okay. Ayan oh, ang ganda pa ng kanilang donut, mga kaibigan, oh. CJ, follow Dada, nawa nagikaon. CJ, watch your step. Wow, hala si CJ, mga kaibigan. Oh, ayan, katatapos lang naming magmisa. Oh, dito po mga kaibigan, yung simbahan, mayroon po silang pa treats ba? Treats after church. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa sila. A juice, okay? Hold on. Bigyan kita. Okay, follow daddy. Hala, wala na kay juice, June. Inubos na ni Don Julio. Yes, honey, I'm coming. You wipe your face. No mess, huh? No making mess, huh? Good job. Yeah, go ahead. Give chocolate. I know you like your favorite chocolate. Chocolate. Oh, palo Dada. Palo kayo. Ayan, careful talaga si Don Julio. Ando na sila. Just sit down and... Keep going, John, para maubos na yan. Ladi, he's showing you.
Good job, CJ.
And then you can put this drink too. Okay, very good.
Here.
I'm gonna take care of CJ in this side. Kay baka, oh, hindi na siya makapag. Clear your face. Okay. Okay. Ayun. Wow. Napunta sa tainga ang ano, oh. Dada.
No, thank you.
I think he's showing you, Dada.
Nice, CJ.
Okay. Give me my donut, Dada. Oh, it's in the front?
It's right there.
Ah, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put seatbelt on CJ, mga kaibigan. Yan. Because you guys are so behaved in church. Oops, hala. Hala ka, CJ.
Is Uncle Dave coming today?
Babe, can you hand me one wipes, please? Thank you. Just... Nako. Thank you, CJ. Help ko kay si CJ. Ayan.
Here's for when you're done. I put this right here.
Good job. Very good, mga kaibigan. O, tapos na si Don Julio sa food. So, ngayon, makakain na tayo ang si Dada. Oh, wow. Yes. Okay. Yes. Excuse me, buddy. Saan yung ano? I-seatbelt ko muna si Don Julio, mga kaibigan, kay importante. Can you move your feet here a little bit? Somebody, why this is so tight? Why this is super tight? CJ, kakakain mo lang ng donut. This is already tight.
He was fine earlier. He's just slouching.
Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit properly. Somebody. Okay. Here's your car. Ayan, you have your car already. O, sige na. They close his door. Why the door is not closing?
You didn't press the button.
Okay. Where's my donut? Oh, here. All right.
You don't see that? You don't have a circle inside. You don't have no circle inside.
You get the big one, Dada.
It's a Jupiter donut. You got the Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, no.
Take it. I got it for you.
That's for me?
Yeah.
What's this?
I know you didn't see the good ones.
You didn't tell me.
I didn't get one myself.
What kind of donut I'm holding?
I tried getting them both to take Jupiter ones, but they picked the Dunkin' ones.
Okay.
What kind of donut you gave me?
You're gonna have a bite too, right?
No.
Hey, Daddy, what kind of donut I got?
Why not?
What kind
you.
of donut I got?
No, I just have tasted it.
Dad, what kind of donut I got?
I don't know that. I thought they were the same.
No.
Dad,
You got a Dunkin'.
Dad.
Cristiano, you got a Dunkin'.
Do you have a Dunkin'?
Nope, you got Jupiter.
Yes, CJ, you have a chocolate.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Daddy got a Dunkin'. I got a Dunkin'. Everyone got a Dunkin'.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yung pa yung aking mga kaibigan. Tapos na si CJ.
We'll go home for. It's gonna be quick though. We're not gonna be there long. Just we gotta make sure he's good to go for the drive.
Okay.
Happy?
Sarap yung donut ay. Bibigay siya ng... Lagi yan sila doon. Ganyan po dito. Yeah, may go.
The good?
Yeah.
It's a wrap?
Yeah. Mine's better
Hello,
than
eh? It's yours, Dada.
No, that's for you.
The donut's for
I want
Mama.
you to buy it. I want you to buy it. Diet kasi yan si Chris. I want you to get a bite. I wanna eat that all.
You'll like it. It's good. It's a Jupiter one. It's not messy either.
Well, yeah, I will eat half.
Eat half. Go ahead. Then you can finish the other half after.
I feed you. Are you serious? Ako ang tataba nito. Ayaw ni Chris. I'll give them to feed them.
Sure. It'll be Wild Boy.
Super wild.
Well, may donut sila.
I'm not gonna be wild.
Mga kaibigan, magkano yung isang box ng Dunkin' Donut, yung malaki? Diyan sa atin. Magkano na yun? Magkano yun? Diba yung noon kasi, pag umalis yung aking tiyuhin sa malaking syudad, pag uwi niya, magdala siya ng isang malaking square ng donut. Magkano yung ganun? Yung pinakamalaki, magkano yun? Pinibang tanong. Magkano yung pinakamalaking Dunkin' Donut?
The quality is much better that one.
Yan, I like this one. Anong oras, ma'am? Alas 10 pa po dito sa amin. Maaga kami nagsimba. Alas 10. Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't getting one. And I saw you didn't pick a Jupiter. I was like, I'll get one for her. So, like, you didn't even notice. I figured.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Ayaw ni Dada ka, no? So, that's his favorite before.
I got strawberry.
Na ano na yun si Dada nag... You eat that, Dada. Have fun.
I had cake last night. Oh,
Vivi Guapa. $2.99? Ilang piraso, ma'am, Vivi Guapa? Yung $2.99. Ah, ganun ba? 266 pieces? 6 pieces lang siya. Ayaw Ma'am Sharon, ayaw niyang tumaba.
With donuts?
Yung iba, tag 300. Pero ilang piraso lang yun? 6 lang? Kunti lang pala. So, pag double, ano na siya, mga 600.
We gotta get home quick.
Why?
Bigay ko yun kay CJ.
Not much time.
Magkano dyan sa inyo Dunkin Donut ang isa? Babe, how much is the Dunkin Donut one piece?
I don't know. I know like Jupiter Donuts, like a dozen is almost like $15.
Dad, why would I
Hindi alam ni Chris kasi hindi kasi ito pumupunta doon mga kaibigan. Hindi yan siya. Gusto yan niya mga healthy na kasi ito si Chris eh.
Mom, let me talk to Daddy.
Yes, go ahead. Sorry.
Daddy. Why would I
Ilang
go
piraso po
early?
mga kaibigan yung
We're
400?
going home so that we can
Yung sabi nila
get ready to go see
260.
Pippi and Mimi. And Mimi's birthday. We're going for
Ano?
lunch.
Ilang piraso
Today is
yun?
your birthday?
May 12 pieces din.
Yeah, today is her birthday. Yep, it's exactly her birthday.
6 pieces lang pala yung nasa mga 250 to 60.
It's full.
Yeah, CJ.
So, pag isang dosina, mga nasa 300 na. 300.
Yeah, he's in a better mood after his donut.
He's better na. Oo, mayroon silang reward after being good sa simbahan. Pero very good man yan sila lagi, mga kaibigan. Always yan sila very good.
Yeah, excavators.
Kaya,
CJ, notice the excavators this time.
Excavators.
Last time.
Oh,
No.
excavators.
Excavators. Hey, CJ, say you later. Are you CJ Shark?
No!
Christiana Shark?
No!
Daddy Shark.
No!
Yes.
350. Depende sa bilang.
Yeah.
6 pieces. Ma'am Leah Asuncion. Salamat po.
No!
Diyan po
Yeah,
ba
but-
mura lang? Like, how much do you think the piece, babe? Your idea?
No!
Probably $3 a piece.
Wow. $3 a piece?
Yeah, the dozen is like 12, 15.
$3 daw mga kaibigan yung isang piraso ng Dunkin.
$2, I would think.
$2 to $3.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi kami pumupunta doon mga kaibigan kasi hindi namin sinasana yung mga bulilit sa sa mga ganito dahil pag masanay sila hanap-hanapin na yan nila kami sabay hindi kami nagsiserve ng ganito. Saka na lang kapag may magbigay, may mga ganyan sa simbahan, may birthday. Kasi ano kasi to full of sugar kasi to kaya hindi si Chris bumibili. Minsan pag magbigay yun lang. Pero pag kami ang bumibili, hindi kasi to healthy honestly. Hindi to healthy, puno ng mantika. Niluluto sa mantika. Tapos maraming sugar. Kaya ganun lang po. Minsan pag lumalabas, like magpunta sa malayo, ganyan, may treat sila. Ganun lang po minsan, pero pag sabihin regularly na bibili, hindi kay mahirap na. Mahirap na masanay sila. At saka hindi yun ang namin lifestyle. O, tingnan mo si CJ, tapos na yung kanyang isang donut. So yung amin, hindi na niya kinuha. Kontento na siya sa kanya. O. We're gonna have some water sa bahay ko Lapit na tayo. 27 pesos per piece. Others are 30 plus. Depende sa flavor. 27 pesos to 30. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey!
Elena Cojeres.
Yes.
Matamis talaga. Sobrang tamis. Kaya, maya-maya, ma-hyper na tong dalawa. Okay. Naka-chocolate double sugar kay CJ May toppings pa. May chocolate pa, may toppings pa, sauce ko. Okay, sige
Almost
siya
there,
na.
Dad.
Almost yeah.
Ako, idol, minsan ako lang gumagawa at mga cookies. Mila Agustin. Oh,
This is where we
that's
live.
nice.
But this is not where our home, but this is where we live.
Where do I go?
Okay, I'll tell
Big
you.
boy na si Don, Ma'am Leah Asuncion.
To the side!
Oh, ma'am, big boy na siya, ma'am. Big boy na.
Turn!
Sabi ni Ma'am Helen Caronan, ma'am, love ka ni Sir ka no, kaya nga rin. Babe, please be careful. You're gonna flip the car, babe.
No.
No, don't even try it. You never know. You're gonna turn quick like that. And that's a very sharp turn.
That looks.
You cannot play like that. That's not safe.
Daddy thinks he's gonna play.
OMG.
Daddy played.
Oh, kasi dalawang klaseng donut pala yun doon, mga kaibigan. May isang depende din kasi yan sa dito, kasi mahilig sila sa mga quality ba, mga qualities. Quality ng donut. Dalawang ano pala yun, kaya alam ni Chris. Hindi ko alam eh. Kinunan pala niya na ako ng isa. Hindi ko kinain, oy, kalahati lang kay baka ma-hyper ako. May dalawa pa ako. Baka tatlo na kaming ma-hyper. Tama, Ma'am Rose Gilor. Sa school ni Agoy Agoy, may mga treats din silang ganyan. Kaya saka na sila magkatikim. Magkatikim naman sila eh. Okay na, at least alam nila yung lasa. Kaysa gagawin nating regular, hindi na yan sila kakain sa niluluto mo. Kasi ito kasi nakakawala yan ng ganang kumain eh. Mabubusog ka na yan eh. Tapos mga malalaki pa. Tapos hindi magandang sanayin natin sila dyan. Kasi ang isang piraso dito, tagdi $3 pala yan. Sos Mario. Ibili na lang natin yan ng vegetables. Sana mayroon silang mga vegetables. Mayroon silang mga flavor na mga donut na blueberries, mga berries ba, di ba?
Dad, I'll tell you when to.
Pero hindi man yung totoong mga berries. Hindi man yung siya talaga totoo. Mga
Set.
sugar lang din yun.
Ready, set.
O sige, ingat po kayo ha. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin. Magandang araw. Araw. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Kaya dito, grabe kasi. Umaga pa man dito. Alas 10 pa. Ang ganda ng paligid.
I don't know.
May coconut. Oo, Krispy Kreme. Masarap din yan. Sharon 5 money. Oh, may Krispy Kreme. Grabe yan magtapon ang Dunkin Donuts at mga Krispy Kreme sa basurahan. Grabe yan sila magtapon, mga kaibigan. Sos ko.
Daddy.
Kasi dito, pagka ano na yan, hindi na yan nila i-stock bukas. Yung naluto ngayon, hindi na nila yan i-stock bukas.
You don't have time to play right now.
Okay mga kaibigan, bye-bye na po. Thank you very much. Let's go to sa bathroom, CJ.
Dad, can Daddy have
And drink some more tubig kay juice lang yung dala. Goy, please throw your trash. Please. Okay, let's go. Ingat po kayo ha. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Say bye, CJ. Say bye.
Wait, bye.
Bye. Say salamat po. Oh, naglinis na sa agoy-agoy. Oh.